Hello guys, today we will discuss about the project Getart. So let's start. Getart is a NFT based platform, public sale of the best NFT marketplace project you have ever seen. Join the Getart ICO. You can buy the token. NFT book using the ERC-721 protocol. The NFT holder has all rights of book to do whatever he wants. Whatever he is selling version of the ebook in various online market, printed copies in physical stores, selling or renting film, media rights, or even giving publication for free. So you can join Getart platform as testnet. We will be best largest digital market in the world for placementable cryptocurrencies and non-fungible token, including ERC-721 and ERC-1155 assets, buy, sell, and Discord exclusive digital asset. Digital art was an early use case for NFTs because of the ability of the blockchain technology to assure the unique signature and ownership of NFTs. Digital artwork by Beeple sold of US 69.3 million in 2021. Krister made news in auction industry by selling Beeple's every day the first 5,000 days for that sum. So a mint NFT, a non-fungible token, is simply put a token that is unique. This is an contract to Bitcoin which is fungible, as each Bitcoin is always equivalent to the another one value. So as you can the Getart token will be GX on Web 20% of token sale will be the dimensions of NFT in specialization media on internet. The NFT market booming record for rare works by artists known or not, partnership with online gaming companies, museum, and world of possible Getart. So as you can check out GX token on CoinMarketCap and will be listed in more exchanges. So you can buy from different exchanges will be listed on PancakeSwap. As you can check out their token sale page. As you can click on the bakery swap, you can buy from bakery swap. You should have some BNB on your wallet. After that, you will connect your MetaMask with bakery swap and you will buy the token GX token from the bakery swap. As you can see in this video, you will connect your MetaMask with bakery swap and you will buy the token from bakery swap. GX token, Getart token is listed on bakery swap and you can find out GX token and get token from bakery swap. As you can see on screen, the GX you will be select and one token is equal to 000088. So 1000 token equal to 0.008. So you can buy from bakery swap. Thanks for watching my video.